reporting from East New York, and I am attempting to cross the street. As you can see, the snow is about 2 feet. Cars stuck everywhere. See the cars? Everywhere you look, cars stuck. Where the fuck are the plows? Nowhere. Why? Because I don't care about East New York. See that? They don't give a shit. If this was Manhattan, they'd be plowing this shit. But since it's East New York, fuck us. No fucking plows. See that? How the hell is anyone supposed to get to work? This is a tragedy. It's windy. Stay home, people. Stay home. You do not... Oh! Fuck. Shit. Help! I can't get up.